Hey guys, it's me, Sharky Boy, and guess what? My skin is gray. Guess what? My skin is called gray and white, and this is why I turn into gray and white. So I love cheese, and it's so good, and that's my skin called gray and white. So if you want to see Sharky Games Boy, my colors are greeny. I think I told you is skin my gray and white. Hope do you like my skin? You do? Oh, that's an excellent idea. You can see me on Sharky Gamers Boy now. Haha. Do you know about it? That's my new skin.